Hey folks, today, we're diving into the secrets of a successful student life. Picture this, a room full of students cramming for an exam. Imagine the energy, the determination to succeed. We can harness this same drive in our everyday lives. Remember, you're not just a student, but an individual on a journey to self-improvement. Your goal is to learn and grow. To succeed, you need three things: patience, courage, and commitment to your studies. You're not just studying for good grades, but for a better life. Success is about growth and understanding the value of everything around you. Embrace love and friendship as they'll support you through this journey. By living with purpose daily, you'll unlock your true potential and experience success in every aspect of your life. Thanks for tuning in. If these tips resonate with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Here's to a successful student life.